Welcome to another edition of Natural Crafts. For those of you who have seen my videos, you know that I love to find things in nature and turn them into craft ideas. So today we're going to look at driftwood, and we've found some driftwood and we're recycling because we're using old picture frames to make some wonderful wall art. And at the end of the video, I'm going to connect you to a link to show you how to make these amazing driftwood wreaths. So sit back, relax, soak it all in, and you'll be able to make some amazing wall art with driftwood. So head out to the lake or a pond or a river, bring your bag and collect some wonderful pieces. I just grabbed some picture frames and I gave them a nice whitewash. You could leave them the color of the frame or paint them whatever color you like. And I also painted the backing, which is great because it blends in with the driftwood, so you won't really be able to see the backing, but they're great because they have the hanging hooks. Take some pieces of driftwood, figure out however many you need to fill in your picture frame, and then all you do is paint some of them white or whatever color that you like. I've chosen white and turquoise, and then put the backing in, cut your pieces to size, and glue them on the backing. And you have a wonderful piece that you can hang because the backing already has that hanging element on it. And here's another sample of one that I have done. And as well, you can take just a regular picture frame and glue some really unique driftwood pieces on to make a wonderful decor element. And as promised, here's a link to show you how to make your own driftwood wreath. Don't forget to subscribe because you'll get all of my latest videos. I do them seasonally, so spring, summer, winter, fall, the things that you find in nature to make natural crafts.